Έλα, δώσ' το, δώσ' το. Εσένα θέλουμε. Όχι ρε, που στο μετάλλιο του θα κάνει. Είδα ρε.
Είναι κρύο το νερό σήμερα, Κάλεπ.
Well, good afternoon everyone. It's 5 to 2 and at 2:15 we'll be starting our penguin parade. If you're just joining us in the area and you're wondering where to stand, there's yellow lines all the way around the penguin lawn just in front of the penguin enclosure. If you're coming in from that far left-hand side, push through the crowd and keep coming in because there's more spaces just along here. So please don't bunch up at that far left-hand side. We can get more of you into the parade path area. There's lots of space in front of me, in front of the education centre. Just start standing one in front of the other now. Making sure you can have children in the front, so short people are in front of the tall people. We'll try and squeeze in as many as possible for the penguin parade.